everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanya. If you're not familiar with my channel, I'm a part-time reseller. I sell vintage and a few modern brands on sites like eBay, Poshmark, Etsy, Depop. This video is dedicated to shopping on Poshmark for vintage inspired outfits. And in my previous video, I went over specific companies that are dedicated to vintage reproduction clothing, rockabilly brands, etc. But this video is more about shopping on Poshmark with keywords and styles to help you find vintage inspired outfits on a budget. Before I start, all of these items are available now in my Poshmark closet. So if you see anything you like, go ahead and head over there. The link is down below if you want to get your shop on. Feel free to send me any offers. So if you're interested in this type of content, go ahead and give me a like, subscribe, comment down below. What kind of items are you searching for on Poshmark? And let's get straight into the haul. Okay, so the first keyword to search for on Poshmark is novelty. So you either wanna, you can search the combination like novelty print skirt, novelty print dress, but novelty print is a great way to pull up retro inspired outfits. And here is one of the items that I just listed on Poshmark. If you can see, this is a beautiful, Paris novelty print. You can see Eiffel Tower is right here. This is the Arc de Triomphe, like the metro signs. It's a really cute fit and flare skirt. This is a 90s skirt, so you could find it under the brand Vintage. So if you're not aware, Poshmark does not have a vintage marketplace, but a lot of resellers list Vintage as the brand, so you could find it under the Vintage brand, but I would recommend that you search novelty print. And also I'm going to give you a little pro tip. So this brand is actually called Bernardo, and I think it's a 90s brand, but they have a lot of cute novelty prints. So if you don't pull up anything under novelty print, then I would actually search out for this brand, Bernardo. Again, this is not a company that's dedicated to like reproducing vintage dresses, but they did do a lot of like cute, like 50s style circle skirts and novelty prints. I found a lot of like Mexican inspired circle skirts by them. So tip number one would be to look up novelty prints. And a little pro tip from me is to look up for this brand, Bernardo. So keeping in the same theme, here's another novelty print. This is a beautiful, just musical note, full circle skirt. This again is just like a boutique brand, so you're not going to be able to find this brand. I mean, I think it's just called Sunny. But again, I would just look up novelty print and it will pull up a bunch of search results for novelty print skirts, and you can filter them by skirts, dresses, shirts, pants, whatever it is. Here's another novelty print. Again, this is just like a no brand boutique brand, but look at this beautiful border print. It has sequins, and it's kind of like this is a half circle skirt. It's not a full circle skirt, but circle skirt. Another tip that I advise for filtering through search results would be to enter the style that you're looking for. So I would use the keyword A-line. So this is an A-line skirt, and this is just by Zara. So when you're filtering for skirts, you can pull up a really cute, A-line skirt, circle skirt, pencil skirt, and find it by, popular brands like Zara, even Old Navy, even The Gap, those types of companies. So you can find a cute little basic A-line skirt and combine it with your vintage and pull up a really cute vintage inspired outfit. The next keyword is pencil skirts. Pencil skirts are also synonymous with the 1950s, more of like bad girl look, and this is just Banana Republic. So again, you could either filter this by searching through Banana Republic skirts, or you could just use the keyword pencil skirt and it'll pull up a ton of brands that have this style of skirt. And then another keyword would be circle skirt. So circle skirts were super popular in the 1950s. This is by Ishakti. So Ishakti is a company that's not necessarily like a retro wear, but they have a lot of classic silhouettes. So obviously a circle skirt would be a great key term to look for. And I actually have a few dresses by Ishakti that I just listed in my closet. So again, a really cute fit and flare dress, pink with, you know, nautical stars. This is just a classic silhouette. Again, this one has the matching belt. This is more of like a geometric print. And this is the brand Ishakti. So Ishakti, again, is not a brand that I would list in my vintage reproduction, but all of their silhouettes are very classic and very, you know, vintage inspired, if that makes sense. So again, novelty prints, geometric patterns. This, again, this is just like the fit and flare, a classic style. Finally, another keyword that I would recommend for you to search is nautical, or, you know, striped. So this is just a basic boutique dress. It's not a fancy brand to look out for, but it's a halter dress. That's another keyword that I would recommend: halter, fit and flare, and nautical, to find, you know, vintage inspired outfits. This is just a personal favorite of mine, and these are what I call souvenir tops or señorita tops. A lot of people use the term peasant blouses as well. So peasant blouses, señorita tops, Mexican souvenir tops. I personally love to wear these with like high-waisted pants or like a circle skirt. Again, you can have a basic pencil skirt from Banana Republic and pair it with another like vintage inspired top, and then you have a nice little vintage inspired outfit. This is another one that I have. And then again, anything that's off the shoulders. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found some tips to use when you're shopping on the Poshmark app to hopefully find some more vintage inspired outfits. And what's great about this is that you can also filter by price range on the Poshmark app, and you can really shop for a vintage inspired outfit on a budget. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you love to wear these pieces, you found a new way to search for them. And if you're interested in carrying items like this in your closet, now you know some keywords and silhouettes to look out for while you're outsourcing for your closet. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a like and subscribe if you're interested in this kind of content. Next week, I am doing a pre-Viva sale haul. So Viva Las Vegas is this huge rockabilly convention that happens in Vegas. It usually happens Easter weekend, but it's happening the week after Labor Day in this case. So, you know, I paid for this vacation back in 2019 and it's happening. I mean, there's a mask mandate, but it's happening. So I'm going because it's paid for and it's too late to cancel. So I'll be there. And I'm actually participating in a pre-Viva Las Vegas sale with a bunch of other vintage vendors, and it's being hosted by Crash the Party Vintage. I'm going to link them here if you want to go follow them on Instagram. So I'm going to be showing you some previews of what I'm going to take to the sale, and it's going to be an all true vintage clothing haul. So stay tuned on Monday for that, and feel free to follow me on Instagram as well for sneak peeks of what I'm bringing to the sale. And if you want to go with me to Vegas and see all of my behind the scenes and all my posts, you can do that as well. Thank you guys again for watching, and take care. I'll see you soon. Bye.